statue 1.6 meter tall stands on top of a pedestal from the point on the ground. Okay, so we're watching on the ground, 1.6 meter. The angle of elevation, so obviously we're looking up, of the top of the statue is 60, and from the same point, okay, we're not moving, we're at the same point. The angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45. So first thing is first, let me explain the word pedestal so that you can pause and draw. Right? Again, my request is, yes, you don't know the word, I'll explain. Suppose that you need to do your calculation. See, pedestal is that structure on which statues are placed. Traditionally, we have seen statues placed on, in different temples. They're placed on boulders, right? Now it is like you have cemented structures on which things are placed. So this cemented structure is what is called as pedestal. Okay, if I'm missing the core definition of it, my bad. I'm just telling it for what I understand of it. So if you want a detailed definition, you can always web search it. But yes, this is the basic idea. Okay. So the statue happens to be 1.6 meters. Right. Rest of the diagram, I would like you guys to do it. I hope you guys have paused and done it. So, okay. So this is 1.6 meter statue standing on a pedestal. So this is your pedestal. From a point on the ground. So we were watching from the ground. Right. So our, what is it called? Our horizontal line is this. The angle of elevation of top of a statue. So top of the statue is this. Angle of elevation is this. So this is your 60 degree. Okay, from the same point. So this is your line of sight. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal. So this is your top of the pedestal. The angle of elevation is this. My diagram is sad, but I hope you guys get the point. And this is not at all 45 degree, but anyways, what to do? 45 degree. Okay, and remember all the angles are measured with respect to horizontal line. So this is your top of the statue, and that's your top of pedestal. Okay, so I think we are done with the diagram. Nothing else to mark, right? So we'll mark this as ABC or ABCD. So a lot of unknown. We have to mark this as something. We'll mark it as X meters. Okay. Now, what is the plan? How will we find CB? We can find CB with the help of triangle ABC. So, but we need one of the sides. So let's find AB. But how will we find AB? With the help of triangle ABD. That's it. So first we'll begin with the calculation. Calculating AB. From where? From triangle ABD. So we have tan 60 is opposite. Opposite is DC plus BC by adjacent AB, right? So we have tan 60 is root of 3 and DC is 1.6 and BC is X divided by AB is AB itself. So we basically end up with AB being equal to, okay, I'll write it here. Okay, anyways, constraint of space now. So 1.6 plus X divided by root of 3. We'll call this as equation 1. Okay, since this is not the final answer, we need not rationalize it. We'll just keep it. Next is finding CB. So for that, in triangle ABC, right? So we are calculating BC. So tan of 45 is equal to BC by AB. Now tan 45 is 1. So BC is equal to AB. So from 1 we have BC is equal to, BC is what guys? X. Let me substitute that. X is equal to 1.6 plus X by root 3. This is from equation 1. Okay. So this is what we have to do. We have one unknown, we need one equation, and we got it. So all of the unknowns are X and X. So variables are X and X. So pretty much solving this will give us the answer. So root of 3 into X is equal to 1.6 plus X. Root of 3x minus X is equal to 1.6. So what is that? X is common. Root of 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. X is equal to 1.6 divided by root of 3 minus 1. Right? Now, we can't just leave it. We need to rationalize it. So for rationalizing, we have 1.6 divided by root of 3 minus 1 into root of 3 plus 1 divided by root of 3 plus 1. So let's use a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. So we have x is equal to 1.6 into root of 3 plus 1 divided by a square minus b square, right? So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the identity we are using. So this is 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 1.6 divided by 2 root of 3 plus 1. Please note that you need not write so much. This is only me writing for the kids who find it difficult. That's all. Okay. So people who can do a lot of math in their head, please skip quite a few steps over here. Right. If you're able to figure out, I mean, I'm sure quite a few kids are able to figure out without writing so much. So you can do so directly. If you want to jump from this step to this step, you can do so. Okay. Not an issue. Okay, this, and then last step is this directly, you can write. Right? So this is the height of the pedestal. You can end the answer with height of the pedestal is equal to 0.8 root of 3 plus 1 meters. Okay. So now you can pause and have a look. Please enroll to our program at chalkpieceacademy.com, wherein we'll be teaching you a lot more tricks for faster simplification and calculation, DIY projects. We'll code with Python. We'll work with Arduino Uno. There are a lot more magic tricks and the physics behind it. There are printable materials which will help you recap and understand things better. We'll have live revision and doubt session 2 months before your term exams. It's very cost effective. There would be no ads or any kind of distractions, and we have a dedicated app to help you guys with this.